What if 5 acres could become more than a homestead? What if it could become a small rural income system? Not just one crop or one animal. A layered property with 6 income zones. Zone 1. Market garden. Grow high-value crops like greens and herbs near the road for fast cash flow and visibility. Zone 2. Bees. Place them near the orchard for pollination and multiple income streams like honey, wax, and candles. Zone 3. Orchard. Fruit trees are your long-term wealth zone. Think fresh fruit, cider, and you-pick income. Zone 4. Poultry. Use chickens in rotation for fertility, pest control, and egg production. Zone 5. Agritourism. Add one visitor experience like a farm tour, dinner, or a premium glamping stay. Zone 6. Value-added products. This is where money multiplies. Turn fruit into jam and honey into premium candles. The secret is not more land. It's designing every acre to do more than one job. Follow for more rural income blueprints.